A blinking orange light on an AT&T router is typically caused by a system update, during which the device routinely updates its firmware and software to maintain optimal performance. This process is completely normal, and the slow flashes of orange light should not be a cause for concern. To resolve the issue, simply leave the device plugged in and avoid removing the battery until the light turns white. On the other hand, a less likely cause of the flashing orange light is a low battery, as some AT&T routers have connected batteries that can trigger this alert when they need to be recharged. If the issue is due to a low battery, it can cause internet lag or complete internet freezing. To fix this, try connecting the battery to a power supply or replacing it by unplugging the old one and plugging in a new one, then connecting the new battery to a power outlet.